10 homemade drinks to burn belly fat fast. Do you want to get your dream body as soon as possible? Today, we've got the 10 best drink recipes that you can adapt to your taste. Add less sugar, use healthier ingredients, or use water instead of soda. Just a glass of these drinks will help you reduce body fat. Recipe number 1. Cucumber drink. Now, the first recipe is easy. All you need is a cucumber, a bunch of parsley or cilantro, a lemon, 1 tablespoon of grated ginger, 1 tablespoon of aloe vera juice, and a half glass of water. Simply juice the ingredients and the drink is ready. You can continue it for a month and then take a break for a week. If you need, start the cycle again. Recipe number 2. Lime and cucumber drink. You'll need 1 lime, 2 cucumbers, a big orange, honey, mint, and 4 cups of sparkling water. Puree 1 cucumber in a blender and slice the other one into circles. Squeeze the juice out of the orange and lime. Then, combine the cucumbers, juice, and honey in a large pitcher and mix. Add the soda and garnish it with fresh mint leaves. Here you go, your healthy drink is ready. Recipe number 3. Pear and sage drink. You'll need a lime, a pear, 1 fresh sage leaves, a cup of pear juice, a cup of sparkling water, and ice. First, slice the lime, cut the pear into cubes, and place them in a pitcher. Add the sage mashed with a fork. Then add the crushed ice, pear juice, and sparkling water and mix your drink. Take it before going to bed, and the results will impress you very soon. Recipe number 4. Grapefruit and cinnamon drink. Now, this drink works wonders. First, combine some sugar, 1 glass of water, and 2 cinnamon sticks in a pan and make a syrup. Simmer it for 5 to 10 minutes until the sugar melts. Let it cool down. Mix 2 cups of grapefruit juice, syrup, and 2 cups of sparkling water in a pitcher. Add ice and garnish it with mint and 1 anise seed. Easy, healthy, and delicious. Recipe number 5. Energy lemon drink. All you need are 5 lemons, 4 cups of sparkling water, mint, and ice. Squeeze the juice out of 4 lemons and slice the last lemon into circles. Combine the juice and sparkling water in a jar. Serve the lemonade with ice and mint. Now, this one is my favorite fat loss drink. Try it out. Recipe number 6. Spicy Indian drink. First, squeeze the juice from 4 limes. Combine some sugar and half a glass of water in a pan and simmer it until the sugar melts. Then grate the ginger and add it to the syrup. When it begins to boil, turn off the stove and cool the syrup. Add the lime juice, 4 cups of sparkling water, and ice. Garnish the drink with mint and slices of lime. Now, say hello to your perfect beach body. Recipe number 7. Apple cider. For this fat burn drink, take 4 cups of apple juice, fresh or packaged, half a glass of lemon juice, mint, 1 lemon, and ice. Slice the lemon into circles, add and then combine the apple and lemon juices in a pitcher. Add the lemon slices, mint, and ice. Serve the drink with slices of apple. Each day you drink it, you're 1 step closer to your ideal weight. Recipe number 8. Vegetable drink. Want to try something unusual? You'll need 4 cups of sparkling water, 3 cucumbers, a large bell pepper, lime, 3 lemons, sugar, ice, and mint, or estragon leaves. First, slice the bell pepper and 2 cucumbers, and sprinkle them with sugar an hour before cooking. Slice the last cucumber and 1 lemon. Zest the lime and squeeze the juice, and then juice 2 lemons. Put the mint or estragon into a pitcher. Add the lime zest and slices of lemon, cucumbers, and bell pepper while they're still moist. Pour in the lime and lemon juices and the sparkling water. Add the crushed ice and garnish the glasses with slices of lemon and cucumber. Do you like it? Let us know in the comments below. Recipe number 9. Pineapple drink. Here's a list of ingredients. 4 cups of sparkling water, a lemon, a can of pineapple and its juice, and mint. First, bring the water to the boil in a pan. Then zest the lemon and squeeze the juice. Add some sugar to the water and simmer it until it melts completely. Then add the lemon zest and take the pan off the heat. Pour the syrup into a pitcher through a sieve. Add the lemon and pineapple juices. Cut the pineapple and add to the drink. Let it cool and put it in the fridge. Garnish with slices of fresh pineapple before serving. The last one, recipe number 10, strawberry and fresh herbs drink. You'll need half a lemon, half a lime, mint, and estragon, strawberries, 4 cups of sparkling water, a half a glass of water, and ice. Here's how to make it. Juice the lime and lemon in a jar and drop in the peels. Cut the strawberries into halves. Add the strawberries and herbs. Pour in hot water and let the fruit and herbs rest for some time to give them flavor and aroma. Take the peel out and allow the drink to cool. Add the sparkling water and ice and garnish the jar with circles of lime. We hope our video has been beneficial to you. If so, hit that thumbs up button. And